Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode about my Volvo V70. It's been a while, a couple of months ago since I uploaded the last video about this Volvo, and now I want to share with you another video where I did a lot of things fixing problems before getting the car to the technical inspection. I started by a quick fix for the exhaust line, which is leaking and it is completely loud as you can hear it. It's a quick fix and I want just to get the car through the TÜV and that's it. I used the gun gum repair set for exhaust line, as you can see it on the video. You have just to clean the leaking area and apply the paste on it and keep it dry for a night, and that's it. See how big that hole is. Yep. Best tool you can get. I hear a lot of people saying this. The best hand instruments. Kind of ridiculous, but let's see if this fixes the problem. Now you can hear clearly the difference. Another simple fix, filling the tank of the windshield washer fluid. And as you know, the rear washer pump is not working, and it turns out that the broken fuse was the cause of this issue. Rear window washer motor, washer pump, rear window. So this fuse, I am going to check this fuse because I have the issue that the washer at the rear window is not working. It should be number 10. Pull it out. You see, it's broken. It's blown fuse. So let's change the fuse, and normally the problem should be sorted. It is always good to have such a box for standard fuses. You don't know what happens, so I'm going to take one of these red ones, 10 amps, to switch the old one with 10 amps also. 10 amps. It is written. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it is 10 amps, definitely 10 amps. I'm going to reinstall it back, and let's check this out. I'm going to turn the ignition on. I'm going to see if the rear window washer is working. It is working. That's it. But the system does have another issue, which is related to the wiper, which is not returning to its starting position after switching off the button. To fix the problem, I just switched the relay, which is responsible of getting back the wiper to the original position, and the problem was solved. 13 here, number 30. Yep. Should be there. These are the two relays for the wiper, for the rear wiper. Now it is working. And returning back to its position. Now tackling the problem with the rear left window, which is not working, and the cause of this problem was also a relay, which has to be changed, and this is what I'm doing now. Remove it, the old one, which was kaput. It was here actually. This relay is responsible for the rear left window, and I have got a replacement from Bosch, but because the Hella one, they are no longer available online or on shops, so I have to install it back in place. Let's see. Yeah, now I want to test my relay, get the contact. Now push the button. Yeah, they should be lubricated. CEM. It's pretty easy actually, should be easy. And yeah. So we have this bunch of cables. It should go this way like this, and there is another clip here. No, negative. Should go like this. And that's it. No, I can't believe it. Yo, there you see. There is oh, I want to get my hand. There is here. There is hook. It is hooked over there, and from this side there is a clip. I don't know how to show you this. Yeah, there is this kind of housing. When you wanna get this CM out, you have to push in this direction to unclip it, and then you have to rotate it like this. I'm trying to show you here how I did it. You have to get your hand here behind the clip. You can see here, you have to push it back with your thumb, then you have to rotate it a little bit, and then you can remove it just like this. You see, that's it actually. Now I have to get it back in place. Now I have to get the clip back in place. Yo, that's it. Here the Moose is getting new shoes, a brand new set of tires, a nice look with the alloy rims, changing the light bulbs of the plates.
This small problem has been sorted. So I have to mount it again to install everything back again. Voila! Problem sorted.
For the rest of the fixes there will be separate videos, like changing the shock absorbers, flushing the transmission, and doing the inspection. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Look at this. Look at this crap. Oh yeah.